Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a JPEG from a PDF without any external software. Okay, so first you take the PDF file, you open it with Microsoft Edge, then you hit print and save as PDF, but you want to save only one page, or you want to save the page that you want to print into a JPEG. You save it, there you go. Now once you've done that, you want to open it, so that will be only the one page that you saved, and then you screenshot it. So then you type, you put snipping tool, say okay, and then you basically select the area you want to save, you press on this button, and you click on JPEG, and look, you've saved screenshot from the JPEG, and you've done it.